Hello everybody, Robert here from Robert's Drone Zone with another episode of McDonough Drone Overview, part number 5. Today we're going to take a trip over the good old Ola Rd Cut through. Well, here at first glance it's starting to actually look like a road, so that's a good sign. Looks like they've started tossing in some of the gravel to get the undercoating ready for the pavement. Well, as you get a little bit further along here, it does look a lot more like a road. If it was going to be a dirt road, we could probably drive on it right now. But I got a feeling that waiting for it to get paved is probably a little bit better off in the long term. Yeah, they're definitely putting in a lot of work. I mean, this is going to be a pretty good stretch here. I think it goes out about maybe a quarter mile or so. I haven't really exactly measured it yet. As we pass over here, we see them diligently dropping off more loads of gravel to get this smoothed out and get it ready.
Hi, now for those of you that are still trying to wrap your head around where this thing is coming out at, it's going to be right here just above Ola Drive in the Ola Crossing subdivision. And it will come out, take you out there to that South Ola Road, and then a little bit further on down, South Ola will take you down to that New Hope. So that's what I think they're trying to do, is make that transition from New Hope over to Ola a little bit easier. Well, this just about wraps it up. We're about to the end of the road here to get the last little view of the tie-in point. Then we're going to loop back around, head on back to the home front. Hopefully you've enjoyed another video from Robert's Drone Zone. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe. It helps us out. We're almost at 200 subscribers now, so be part of the crew, be part of the gang, hit those notifications, and as these new updates for the Ola area come up, you'll be the first to know.